but deliver us from evil.
Okay, this is the crap I hear on a PA system outside of across the street from my house. This continually keeps going on Sundays, and it's ridiculous. This is a residential neighborhood. There's a park 2 blocks away where if they want to hold their PA, whatever they're doing out there, they can go to the park, but not in the residential neighborhood, and it's ridiculous that this keeps happening.
Deliver us from evil. Let us begin to pray as never before as we see the days approaching. The last and evil days are here upon us.
This should not be in my living room. I should not have to be hearing this guy screaming outside on a PA system.